What is going on, guys? Today I got me two gaming mice from two different companies that I've been going back and forth with when it times to play my Overwatch 2 sessions. Yeah, one is the HyperX Pulsefire Dart. This is a wireless mouse from HyperX, which I totally love. It's got a lot of cool little functionality in it, which we'll go into in a second. This over here on my right is the Razer DeathAdder V2 Pro. It's a mouthful. Yeah, they have tons of these different versions, but this is the V2 Pro. And so today I just want to talk about the whole charging options on both of these. Okay, the way that the DeathAdder V2 Pro charges, one is you can use a micro USB to charge. You already know that, but you see here the wireless charging. If you have a unit like this right here, at the end of the day you can just drop this thing on there and it'll actually just lit up and charge. Now, Pulsefire Dart, this one right here, the way you charge it is if you have a mat like this that has a wireless charging pad on the side like I do, you can just drop this thing on there and bam, it charges right away. So depending on how you want your setup to look, I think it can be very obvious on which one you want to pick. So if you got yourself a mouse pad that has a charging pad on it, I think the Pulsefire Dart is a great way to go, because you know there's another accessory on your desk, right? You already have a mouse pad, so that's a no-brainer right there. But if you're one of those that wants to look cool with the little mouse charging hovering like this on your desk, I think Razer is a good option. So anyway, I think both of these, I just want to point out their charging options, because I thought it's pretty cool that both companies are coming out with different ways of wirelessly charging your mouse without the hassle of plugging it in, right? Anyway, there you go. That's the comparison between the Pulsefire Dart versus the Razer DeathAdder V2 Pro. Have a good one. Bye-bye.